Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Siddharth. I am from AttainU. Today, I am here to present the project on which me and my team work. My team member names are Prabhuranjan, Nitesh, Suman, and Pawan. Now, we have completed this project within the duration of 3 weeks. The project we built is an entertaining app based on Facebook Graph API. Now, what is Facebook Graph API? It is the API of every user data. Now, this data is public data, not the private data. Example, the gender, the profile picture, etc. We have used CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, library, HPS templates for the front end, and we have used the framework of Node.js Express. For the database, we have used MongoDB, Mongoose library, and we have used Heroku for the deployment. I shall take you to the demo of our project. As you can see, this is our landing page of the project. Now, we have nailed down with the title of the project and the share button. Now, the share button lets you share this app as posting it on your timeline of FB. And till now, we have 5 apps of games. We'll implement more as in future, and we have total. Now, if I try to play a game, I have just to click, but if you have not logged in already with the Facebook, it will ask you for the login because we have implemented the FB authentication. Now, I'll take you with the another browser because I have logged in. Now, as I try now, clicking it on the motivation app, it will take me to the motivation app page. Now, the purpose of this game was to motivate people a bit more to enjoy their life. And you can see there is a motivation quote in between the screen. And also, we can get more quotes by clicking on the get quote button. As you can see, it changes. And this is not refreshing the whole page, but it is just refreshing this this codes. And we have used the JSON file for the codes. And also we have a share button here. If I want to share this motivation app with my friends on Facebook, then it will make a post for me. And if I post it on, it will show up on my timeline. As you can see, motivational quotes app is here. Now, if I want to post it, I post it here. Now, if we click on our title again, it will take us back to the home page, and we can choose more games out of that. Now, second game is the PUBG game. This is PUBG quiz. As PUBG is more trending right now, so we have taken the idea from that. Now, this PUBG quiz is having the API of PUBG questions as well as answers. So we can play. I am just selecting randomly any of the answers right now. So also we have implemented the limit like first, second, in the first, second position in the this quiz. As if person gets more marks, then it will get the medal. I'll show you. Now you can see here I got 30 out of 100. So it is giving me unbending silver. And similarly, if I get less or more, the medal will change here. And now, if I want to get back to my homepage, I have to click on my title of the project. And here also, if I want to share the result of my quiz, I can share with the share button here in the bottom. Yeah, here if I click on the share button now, then I can share the result of my PUBG quiz to the Facebook like this. If I want to post it, I can post it now. Now, if I want to play another game, then I will just click on my data ID. Now, the next app is the Zodiac app. Now, the Zodiac app takes the zodiac from you and it will show you the horoscope of you. That means if I am Cancer, I'll click Cancer and it will show me the horoscope of mine. Now, here it says you will always have a mask on covering the emotions I have. But okay, same way I can share this to my profile and let's try another app which is the what's in my name. Now what it takes is it takes your name from the Facebook Graph API which we have implemented and it shows the full form, the words which describes you and it shows you that. As you can see here, it describes me as every word of my name. Now also I can share this as well. Now let's try another game, the last game, and that game is Mistakes app. Now this is a fun game which tells you what mistake you have done and you are doing it over and over. So here you can see it takes the profile picture from your Facebook. Now it is also telling me the biggest mistake I'm doing. Similarly, I can get more mistakes from this get another button. If I click on it, as you can see, it got me another mistake I'm doing over and over again. And also, I can get another similar way. And also, I can share this as well over my Facebook from the share button. Like here, if I want to share, you can just click on it and post it to my timeline. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching our project. Bye-bye.